In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your active paid subscription details in your workspace settings. To get started, make sure you're on the main dashboard of your account. This is the primary area where you usually land after signing in, and it contains the main navigation and workspace controls. From here, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. You should see your profile image, avatar, or account icon displayed there. This profile area is commonly used to access personal account options, workspace tools, and administrative settings. Go ahead and click that profile image or avatar icon. When you do, a menu will open with several options related to your account and workspace. Take a moment to look through the list, then choose Settings. This will bring you into the area where your account preferences and workspace configuration details are managed. Once you're inside Settings, the next thing you need to do is open the billing setup for the specific admin or team workspace you want to review. If your account is connected to more than one workspace, make sure you're entering the correct one, since billing details are usually tied to an individual workspace rather than your general personal profile. In other words, you'll want to drill down into the workspace-specific setup area where subscription and payment-related information is stored. After opening the correct workspace settings page, begin scrolling down through the interface. Depending on how your settings are organized, there may be several sections above the billing information, so just continue downward until you reach the subscription area. You're looking for the card or panel that displays your active paid subscription details. When you find that section, you should be able to view the subscription profile information associated with the workspace. This is typically where the platform shows the currently active plan and related billing status in a quick, easy-to-read format. If you don't see it immediately, double check that you're still inside the correct workspace settings and not a general account settings page. That's all you need to do. The key is to start from the main dashboard, open your profile menu from the top left corner, enter settings, go into the billing setup for the correct admin or team workspace, and then scroll until you reach the active paid subscription panel. Following this path will help you quickly locate the subscription information you need.